Before buying a new SUV in 2026, it's extremely important to know which vehicles real owners have faced problems with during daily use. Consumer Reports has published reliability reports based on data from hundreds of thousands of vehicles and real experiences shared by their members. And based on these reports, several new SUVs have emerged that require serious caution before buying in 2026. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to Wish Drive and don't forget to share your opinion in the comments. Now, midsize SUV warning. If you're planning to buy a midsize SUV, pay close attention to the Jeep Grand Cherokee. According to owners, this SUV has shown issues related to steering, suspension, and the drivetrain. In addition, unusual noises and fluid leaks have made this vehicle weaker compared to others in its category. Three-row SUV alert. And if you're looking for a three-row midsize SUV, be cautious with the GMC Acadia. Reports indicate serious transmission problems, including leaks that required the entire transmission system to be removed for repairs. Complaints related to brakes and interior electronics have also been reported. Compact SUV buyers, think twice. If you're considering a compact SUV, think twice before buying the Chevrolet Equinox or its sibling, the GMC Terrain. Owners reported failures in the transmission control computer and fluid leaks within the unit, which were not easy to repair. Issues with the body control module have also been reported. Another SUV to watch out for. The Volkswagen Taos has also caused trouble for many owners. According to survey data, major engine-related issues were reported. A serious red flag for any daily use vehicle. Luxury SUVs aren't safe either. These issues are not limited to regular SUVs. Luxury SUVs are also on the list. According to owners, the Genesis GV80 has experienced problems with the drivetrain, fuel pump, fuel injection system, climate control, steering, suspension, and various electrical systems. Similarly, the Genesis GV70 has reported issues with the fuel pump, drivetrain, climate system, and body hardware components. Electric SUV warning. If you're thinking about buying an electric SUV, also take a closer look at the Chevrolet Blazer EV. Owners have reported issues with the EV battery, climate system, and electrical accessories. Some users also complained about interior electronics, unusual noises, and fluid leaks. According to one owner, a faulty battery sensor caused the vehicle to completely shut down one day, making it totally undrivable. That's why, before buying an SUV in 2026, don't focus only on design or brand name. Always consider reliability, long-term ownership experience, and real owner feedback before making your decision.